Are you looking for a sustainable and energy-efficient lighting solution for your outdoor area? Try IP65 Solar Street Lights. These innovative street lights use renewable energy from the sun to provide reliable and bright illumination for streets, parking lots, and other outdoor spaces. Equipped with high-quality solar panels, rechargeable batteries, and efficient LED lights, these solar street lights are cost-effective and environmentally friendly. With their durable and waterproof design, they can withstand harsh weather conditions and operate reliably in various environments. IP65 Solar Street Lights are an excellent solution to our growing energy and environmental challenges. They not only provide a reliable and cost-effective way to light up our streets, but they also help reduce our dependence on non-renewable energy sources. Investing in IP65 Solar Street Lights is a smart financial decision and contributes towards a cleaner and more sustainable future for our planet.